We all wish for happiness, peace, and abundance within our homes. People make great efforts to create a harmonious environment, yet conflicts may still arise. In any family, each person brings their own unique perspectives, and natural differences can sometimes lead to small disagreements. When handled well, these minor conflicts can actually strengthen relationships. However, if negativity and stress start to take over, it becomes important to address them. To maintain harmony, peace, and mental well being, many people turn to different approaches. One of the simplest, yet effective methods is placing a Buddha statue in the home. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but it also fosters an atmosphere of calm, positivity, and balance, promoting prosperity and joy. Buddha statue, symbolizing wisdom, compassion, and enlightenment, is believed to enhance these qualities when placed correctly within a home or workspace. Nowadays, Buddha statues are seen in almost every home, whether for spiritual reasons or as decorative pieces. Each Buddha posture represents unique qualities like peace, wisdom, or prosperity, offering different energies to your space. Common questions many have are: which is the right area to place Buddha statue at home? And which type of Buddha statue should you choose for yourself? Understanding the symbolism of the Buddha statue. The Buddha is universally recognized as a symbol of peace, harmony, wisdom, and inner serenity. The presence of a Buddha statue can serve as a gentle reminder to seek calmness and balance in daily life, and it often encourages mindfulness and spiritual growth. Various forms of Buddha statues reflect different postures, each holding unique meanings. For example, meditating Buddha promotes inner peace and tranquility. Laughing Buddha symbolize joy, wealth, and prosperity. Reclining Buddha represents enlightenment and the attainment of nirvana. Each of these forms of Buddha statue offers unique energy to the environment, with proper placement enhancing the benefits in line with Vastu and Feng Shui principles. Now let's explore the best ways and ideal locations for placing a Buddha statue to bring uplifting benefits into your home. Vastu Shastra Guidelines for Buddha Statue Placement. There is no mention about the statue of Buddha in the ancient texts of Vastu Shastra. But in Vastu Shastra, rules for placement of everything have been mentioned, through which we can choose the right place for the Buddha statue also. Vastu places a strong emphasis on the directions and energies associated with different parts of a home. Ideal placement directions. Northeast. This is one of the most auspicious directions in Vastu, as it is associated with spiritual growth and peace. Placing a Buddha statue in the northeast zone is believed to enhance wisdom and mental clarity, bringing a soothing influence over the household. Entrance or foyer. Positioning a Buddha statue near the entrance can act as a guardian of the home, symbolically preventing negative energy from entering. This location is thought to create a welcoming and protective aura, blessing the home with positivity. Living room. Placing the Buddha in the living room, particularly facing the main entrance, not only beautifies the space but also helps in grounding positive energies within the most active area of the home. Garden or courtyard. Outdoor placement, particularly in a garden or courtyard, is ideal for a larger Buddha statue. It symbolizes growth and connection with nature and can serve as a focal point for meditation or relaxation. Kids' room. In kids' room, a Buddha statue should be placed on their desk, facing east. A reclining Buddha in a resting posture, or a statue with a smaller head, can also be kept. This helps improve focus while studying, increasing the chances of success. Prayer or meditation room. For those who have a dedicated space for prayer or meditation, the Buddha statue placed here can enhance the energy, making it a serene sanctuary for reflection. In Vastu, the Buddha statue should ideally be placed at eye level or higher. This is symbolic of reverence and helps maintain a respectful and peaceful energy around it. The area around the Buddha statue should be clean and free from clutter. A serene, organized environment around the statue supports a balanced energy flow, amplifying its beneficial effects. Feng Shui also offers specific insights into Buddha statue placement, focusing on attracting wealth, joy, and health, as well as promoting a harmonious atmosphere. Facing the front door. Similar to Vastu, Feng Shui advocates placing the Buddha statue near the front entrance, facing the door. This invites positive chi, life force energy, into the home, while blocking out negativity. Southeast for wealth. For those seeking financial prosperity, the southeast corner is considered the wealth sector in Feng Shui. Placing a laughing Buddha statue here can stimulate abundance and attract good fortune. East for health and family. The east side of the home is linked to health, family, and harmony. A meditating Buddha in this area can promote wellness and a harmonious family environment. Home office or workspace. Buddha statue in the workspace, particularly on a desk or shelf, can encourage focus and calmness, creating a more conducive environment for productivity and reducing stress. Avoid low or floor placement. In Feng Shui, the Buddha statue should never be placed directly on the floor, as it is seen as a sign of disrespect. An elevated position allows the energy to radiate effectively. Surrounding area. The Buddha statue should ideally be placed in an area that does not face directly toward the bathroom, as bathrooms are associated with draining energy, which can counteract the Buddha positive influence. The placement of Buddha statue according to Vastu and Feng Shui principles can bring a range of benefits that enhance both personal well-being and the overall energy of the home. Promotes inner peace and mindfulness. Buddha statue serves as a gentle reminder to stay mindful and calm. It encourages daily reflection, creating an environment where family members can feel balanced and centered. Attracts positive energy and repels negativity. When positioned correctly, Buddha statue can draw in positive energy and dispel negativity. It encourages a peaceful ambience and helps neutralize any discordant energies in the surroundings. Inspires prosperity and abundance. Specific types of Buddha statues, like the laughing Buddha, are symbols of wealth and good fortune. Placing one in a designated wealth area can stimulate financial growth and prosperity. Improves focus and clarity. Buddha statues, particularly the meditating Buddha, can help improve mental clarity and concentration. Ideal for workspaces, the statue enhances productivity by fostering a calm and focused mindset. Supports physical and emotional well-being. Positioned in the east or a meditation area, Buddha statue promotes health and harmony. Its presence encourages a balanced lifestyle and emotional well-being. The psychology behind placing a Buddha statue in a space relates to the principles of mindfulness, calmness, and focus. Buddha statues symbolize peace and wisdom, which can subconsciously encourage a more serene and balanced mindset. This calm presence helps reduce stress and improve focus, creating a positive environment that fosters clarity and concentration, qualities essential for success. Additionally, seeing the statue regularly can serve as a reminder of personal growth and resilience, subtly inspiring one to stay centered and motivated on their goals.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.